As president of the Women's Club of Ridgewood, it is my great pleasure and privilege to announce the names of the students who have earned the highest honors. That is, straight A's for 3 years. Mark Bliss, Joseph Hoffman, yes. So will you all please stand as I read your name and remain standing? John Scott Ross, and Janet Stemwell.
Thank you. In every graduating class, there are people who have worked especially hard to contribute to their class or their school across the 3 years they have been here. This outstanding class has been led by such people, and I would like to recognize and honor them now. As I call your names, please stand and remain standing until all are called. I ask the audience to hold its applause until all the recipients of the Principal's Leadership Award are standing. These are the movers and the shakers across 3 years of the class of 1985. Laura Brainerd, Jennifer Brown, Marceline Capitani, Kristen Cronin, Abigail Emerson, Bruce Elon, Joseph Hoffman, Paul Laughlin, Glenn Morrison, Nicholas Newman, Deborah O'Connell, Margaret Sutro, Janet Stemwell, Christopher Sullivan, Diane Sklar, Claire Tooley. The Somerville Award is the most prestigious award Ridgewood High School presents. Students are nominated for the award by a vote of the entire junior and senior class and of the faculty, so it is an honor just to be one of the 8 finalists. A committee of trustees then selects the recipients who have displayed the best qualities of citizenship during their scholastic career, as evidenced by their scholastic record, leadership in activities, and leadership in improving the school. This year's recipients are asked to come to the dais now. They are Marcy Capitani and Nicholas Newman. Marcy is a perfect example of a true leader who, having learned leadership skills on the athletic field, has been able to carry them over into the rest of her life. Captain of the track team, she also played on the basketball, field hockey, and cross-country team for Ridgewood High School. As vice president of the senior class, she actively worked on the prom and dance committees and in the class cabinet. She also is a peer counselor, a member of Ridgewood's Safe Rides program, an attender of both leadership weekends, and has coached junior high girls in both softball and basketball. Her talents have already earned her the DAR Award for citizenship, and she represented Ridgewood High School as its delegate to the New Jersey Girls Citizenship Week last June. Known for her ability to understand and get along well with others, Marcy will attend the University of Vermont in September. Nick. Nick is an all-around student who combines academic ability with both school leadership and community service. As Vice President of the Student Congress, he was instrumental in organizing the 2 leadership weekends held last June and September. He also was president of the Computer Club on both the System-Wide Computer Curriculum Advisory Committee and Ridgewood Center for Electronic Learning Executive Council, as well as a member of the chemistry team the track team, and Students for Environmental Action. His community participation includes Safe Ride and the Student Volunteer Linking Program. He also develops computer programs for the learning disabled. These activities are all time-consuming ones, yet he manages to find time to practice the violin and plays well enough to be selected last year for the Bergen Youth Orchestra. Hardworking and talented, his most outstanding attribute is maturity of judgment. A National Merit finalist, he will attend MIT in the fall.